This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Apply the handbrake. Place chocks each side of the rear wheel diagonally opposite to the front wheel being removed. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. With a block of wood on the jack head, position the jack onto the front subframe rear mounting point. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the front door sill flange. Fully unscrew the wheel bolts and remove the wheel. Carefully pull the brake hose grommet from the bracket on the suspension strut. Prise the spring clip from the caliper and mounting bracket. Remove the rubber caps, then using an Allen key or bit, unscrew and remove the upper and lower guide pins. Lever the caliper to the outside to push the pistons back into the caliper body a little.